Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the D'MAX ground. Turn the ignition to ACC or on so the head unit is active. Open the vehicle settings and navigate to Bluetooth. Enable it now. On your phone, open Bluetooth settings and keep it visible. Make sure Wi-Fi is off to avoid interference. Once done, position your phone within about 1 meter of the center dash so the head unit can detect it. This immediate alignment prevents pairing delays and speeds discovery. On the head unit, select Add Device or Pair New. This starts scanning for nearby devices. While it scans, look at your phone's Bluetooth list and tap the entry matching the Isuzu or D'MAX label. A PIN or passkey will appear. Compare numbers on both displays and confirm if they match. If the head unit asks for permission to access contacts or media, allow it so calls and audio work. Make sure to accept any phone prompts. This two-way confirmation completes secure pairing. After pairing, set your phone's audio output to Bluetooth so calls and music route through the D'MAX. On the head unit, enable Auto Connect or save the device as trusted to reconnect automatically. Test an outbound call and play a short track to confirm microphone and media function. If pairing fails, restart both the head unit and your phone, then repeat the pairing steps. Sometimes clearing old Bluetooth entries on either device resolves conflicts. If issues persist, check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.